Okay, so this is my program. It is called Music Library Manager. Mm, So what I have done in this is I have created a modular program where I have actually made three more programs. So on this one, I have imported all these one in the main function, main program. So data type is here. So let's go for data type first. So in the data types, I have two data classes, which is one is song, another one would be library, and then another one I have created is two more enumeration type, which is genre and then a media. Right after that, I have imported all the operation one, where all the operations are being conducted in this program. And after that, I have imported a display one where all the displays options has been. So now on this, in the main function, I have make it more simpler. So that is to get a menu choice and to get initial sound count. So just for that. And another one I have done is I have used the choice format to get the data from the users and run the program. And let's run it up and we'll see what happens. Yeah. So this is the interface. Welcome to Music Library Management. So let's say we're gonna add two songs in first. So what's the first song titles? Let's say I love this song. Song, song what? Let's say artist name, the week, the weekend, right? And then what's the album name? Let's say none for now, but it's still gonna consider it as an album name. So literature, I'm not sure, but I think 2016. And let's make it and duration would be to 50 seconds. It's on a second. And then we're gonna go for spring platform rating. And rating, I will give a 5 rating for that. So another song title would be Love Story. Album, I'm not sure. This one for now. And then we go for 2000, let's say 2009. And it's raw. Enter, let's say let's give it a little for 7 seconds. After that, I think we'll go for a little bit older Integrating, let's just to make it a difference. Now I have this. I have added two songs. Displayed. I have added these two songs. You can see the rating 4 and 5. No plays at all because we haven't played anything right now. And then there is streaming and every information that we just put in. It's right. Now what we can do is other options. So first example, let's do the play the song, and we'll play the number two song. Now it's played. Now playing, right? So now if I say let's play something, it's gonna go for play one. It's easy. And then so if I just didn't read anything, it's gonna be that's gonna be so after that we're gonna go for let's say short song. Since let's say we are searching a song from album long, it's gonna be easy. Now we can actually rate the song. If you like the songs a lot after listening to quite a while, if you don't like the song, I'm gonna rate the song sharply. I'm gonna give this for one to display. It's gonna be right. So similar to this, we can rate the song. Now we can even sort the song. So for example, I can do the alphabetical titles, artists, years, oldest to newest first, whatever. Let's say we want oldest first, go for 10, and then 2009, and then 2016. All that thing, and you can do sort of all the stuff. And then after that, you can go for 9 just to show the summary where it's gonna show all the summary like total plays. I will just play one song, average song duration, and then the total duration, total of the songs. Basically, there's one hip hop, one pop, and basically it's a statistics for the song. But as you can see, I haven't put any information on the song here. You can get all the information from it. So that's it. And we can view the song as well by putting what kind of genres you want to listen to. Let's say I want to listen to something that Italian handles. I want to national country, and it's just a no from international country. But I can type pop, and it's gonna say that's just that's it. This is the song.